and welcome to our YouTube channel World Tech Talk and Beauty. Our all new viewers, please subscribe our channel to get the latest notifications and videos. And in this video, we will unbox Mi Box 4K, which enables Google Assistant by just tapping one button in the remote control and supports 4K Ultra HD with Chromecast built-in. And in the end of this video, I will also give a review with more relevance about this product and the experience of the product with me. So friends, let's unbox it. So friends, as you can see, this is the box. It supports 64-bit quad-core processor. It has 2GB RAM plus 8GB ROM. And it supports many popular apps like YouTube, Hotstar, Netflix, Prime Video, and the list goes on. So let's open it. As you can see, this is the user manual, and yes, this is the Mi Box. I will not say that it is a very big. It will be fitted in your palm, as you can see in the picture also. So this is the HDMI cable, this is the audio port, and this is the USB port. It has 64-bit quad-core CPU, Cortex-A53 based processor coupled with multi-core GPU for smooth and fluid performance. It has Chromecast built-in, by which you can cast your favorite entertainment apps, movies and TV shows, music, games, sports and more to the TV. It has the Google Assistant. With Google Assistant, you can quickly access entertainment controls, smart devices, get answers on screen and more using your voice. Now, inside the under package, you will get one HDMI cable, one Bluetooth remote control and one USB adapter for charging your Mi Box, as you can see here. And the remote uses 2 AA battery, which is not included in the package. So you have to buy from the market and insert in it. So the remote is slim and lightweight and very convenient to the TV. This is the space from which you can insert the battery. This is the Google Assistant button, this is on off button, and these are the 4 controls, and I will show you by operating the TV. This is the back button and this is the return to home screen button. It has 2 quick button, that is of Netflix and Prime Video. This is the volume up button and volume low button, and this is the button for the categories. So this remote has a very less buttons because the latest smart TV remotes have also this type of feature. So now let's talk about the Mi Box. The Mi Box runs on the latest Android TV, which has Google Assistant and Chromecast built-in, which you can cast your favorite TV shows, download apps and games from Google Play, watch the news or switch to internet, radio, voice search and personalized recommendations mean more time being entertained and less time hunting for something good. And it supports Dolby Audio. Its MRP is 3500, and by this you can turn your dull TV into a smart TV. Now it supports Android 9.0, but after the update it will support Android 10.0. So friends, as you can see, this is a TV, and now with the help of the Mi Box I will turn to it a smart TV. So friends, first you have to connect the HDMI cable into the HDMI port given in the Mi Box like this. So, and now the power adapter in the power adapter port. Okay, now you have to place it. You should have an active internet connection. Now switch on the TV. So friends, after connecting Mi Box to TV's HDMI port with the HDMI cable in the box, switch your TV to HDMI source accordingly in the TV settings. You can go to the input option, then select HDMI 2. Now the next step is set up Mi Box and connect to your Wi-Fi. So I am using my JioFi to get it. Now you can see here it is connected to Wi-Fi. So there are a very big number of apps which are supported in this, and the interface is just like that of the Mi TV. So friends, it has many apps like Netflix, YouTube, Google Play Movies and TV, Disney Hotstar, and the list go on. So first we will open YouTube, like you can see. So friends, the YouTube interface is just like that of the desktop side interface when you open YouTube in your laptop or PC. Now when you go to the search menu, you will get one Google Assistant, Comet Binoculars unboxing and review. So friends, as you can see, and this is our video. As I have told you, it supports Dolby Audio. जानकारी मिलेगी। हमारे चैनल के नए व्यूअर्स प्लीज हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि हमारे लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन। So friends, by this you can go to your channel, in which I will show you a video of our channel.
And the most best thing I loved in this earphones are their.
So friends, as you can see, the sound quality is good, and now I will show you its built-in Chromecast. So as I have told you, this is the return to home screen button and this is the back. When you press it, you will go to the back screen, and when you will press the return to the home button, you will be in your home page. So friends, now this is the settings. This, as you can see, settings, and now it is network and connectivity. So friends, this is the Chromecast built-in, and in the next video or in the upcoming video I will show you how to Chromecast anything with your phone to the TV. And now you can see the image quality is also good because it supports 4K Ultra HD, and it is a 4K Ultra HD streaming player as well. Now friends, it has one audio out for the headphones or earphones. So I have used it and it is a very useful, and the sound clarity is also very good. So friends, as I have told you, it has two quick button, one of the Netflix and other one is the Prime Video. So let's test. When we tap on the Prime Video button, it will open. Okay, now we will press Netflix, and then you can see the Netflix is opened. And the Netflix and Prime Video, you need both subscriptions as well. So friends, in this I have shown you the 3-step setup. First is connect to Mi Box of to TV, now connect to internet, and then start streaming and enjoy the videos, news or any other things. So friends, now test the Google Assistant. Its remote has a Google Assistant button by which on tapping the Google Assistant gets activated. So friends, let's test Google Assistant. Hi Google Assistant, what can you do for us?
Oh great, I have a question for you. What can I help you with today?
So friends, as you can see, the Google Assistant also supports this system and it has a very good review. So friends, now talk about the review. So friends, talking about the review, it is a very great value product and you should buy it. And friends, you can turn a dull TV or normal TV as well as a smart TV to a latest smart TV with access all the features. And friends, it is a very great value product as I have told you. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel to get the latest notifications and videos. And friends, you can join us in our next video.